good, it's not that steep as of now. This is not mist, this is sulfur clouds. And we are here. Just
mask.
things that you should carry with you are. Hey guys, so we are on a crazy adventure right now. We are hiking an active volcano named Ijen Crater. Ijen Crater is located in East Java region of Indonesia and is known for its world's largest highly acidic lake. And there is also a phenomenon called as blue flames, which happens at only 2 places in the world, and one of them is Ijen Crater. So yeah, firstly, things that you should carry with you are trekking shoes, because at times it's very slippery, a torch, a jacket because when you start the trek it's very cold, a sunscreen, food, gas mask you can rent it at the entry gate. Also, it is advisable to wear full clothes to avoid any skin damage due to volcanic sulfur fumes. We have left for Ijen Crater. So first step is going by car to the harbor. Brother, how much time it will take?
No traffic, 3 or 4 o'clock.
3 to 4 hours. This is our ferry from Gilimanuk to Banyuwangi. It is 1:45 AM as of now in Banyuwangi. So we started our journey from Gilimanuk at 1:30 for about an hour. But because the time zone has changed, it is still 1:45. It's 1 hour ride now from Banyuwangi to the trek starting point. This is the current scene here. So everyone is waiting for the tickets. So the ticket counter will open at 3:30, and it's very cold. Like, we actually rented a jacket. Yeah, one more thing is you can actually rent jackets, masks, yeah, jackets, mask and caps, everything you can rent here. So this is really nice, but it's very cold. And yes, we are ready to go. We started our trek at 3:51. There are too many people here, and there is a taxi service here. Taxi. So people who don't want to travel by yourself, there is a taxi. How much for taxi?
800.
800.
Yes, up and down.
Up and down 800. Yeah. Okay. So it's almost half a kilometer. It's good. It's not that steep as of now, but we might not see blue fire because they stopped it from starting this year. So, but yeah, hopefully the crater view would compensate for it. Now after half kilometer it is very steep. So yes, it is getting a bit tougher. Close to 1 kilometer now.
And there is this mild smell of sulfur coming now.
Yes.
I started feeling. Many people are coughing here. So it's not that strong as of now, but yeah, little bit.
It depends upon the air. Like, if the wind starts blowing, then sulfur could cover the entire mountain. It's steep also. Like, we have some trekking experience, but I think people without trekking experience might take taxi also. Sulfur smell is too strong now.
Water.
Okay, I have.
This is not mist, this is sulfur clouds. This is kind of a similar chemistry lab kind of a smell.
I can feel it now.
Yes. One milestone, one checkpoint. These are miners' homes, like sulfur miners.
Oh, highly dangerous job.
Yes. Quite a lot of people coughing here. But yes, we are moving up. We are not that tired. So if you're tired, there's a one place you can basically find some things to eat also. It's 4:40 already. And 5 AM is the sunrise. And it's 1 kilometer more. So yeah. Yeah. So there was a 2.4 kilometer ascent. Now it's all descent, or rather plain area. We are closer to sunrise now. The views are crazy. This looks like another planet. Almost there. And we are here just before the sunrise. So, yeah, sun is just behind the clouds. It's coming up. What a view. So yes, we are finally here at the highest point of Ijen Crater, also called as the sunrise point. At times it is all covered with sulfur clouds, and if the wind starts flowing again, then it gets cleared, and then you get to see the lake. As you can see, the volcano is still active, and this is the place where miners mine the sulfur from, and this is also the place where you see blue fire in the night. But because of this increased activity, government has currently stopped going down there and seeing the blue fire. This lake, by the way, because of sulfur, is highly acidic, so you cannot go inside the lake. And the color of the lake is continuously changing basis the sunlight and cloud cover. So anytime you come, basically you will get a view of your own. We spent some time here, just took some photos and just enjoyed the view before starting our downward journey. This is all sulfur.
But this looks like water waves.
Wow, this is also cool. I think this is sunlight reflecting on sulfur clouds.
So now while coming down it's got more windy, so now we are getting more fumes inside, so we have now used the mask. Earlier it was not required at all, so yeah. So
But now,
because of the wind it's coming here, the wind is towards the downhill.
I'll show you.
The wind is moving like this, so this is indeed a very dangerous job. It's very risky. They are going down, they are working there in this condition. And they take loads of these stones for the sulfur mining. They take down. It's very heavy.
Total 40 kgs they take down.
He is trying to lift 40 kgs of sulfur. Almost 45. Oh. That's now imagine the miners taking this down 3-4 kilometers.
This is how people carry you, if you want a taxi. So now you can at least see how the trail was. Coming to booking, we had booked our tour via Klook. Klook is a very common platform throughout Bali, Indonesia. So yeah, we booked the private tour where there is a private taxi and private guide, which was very convenient, and we had less time, so we opted for this. But you can also opt for a shared option, or you can also go by a bus. Both of them are way cheaper, but some things you will have to manage on your own with shared options.
Yeah, track wise is not tough or anything special if you are looking for just for a track.
But you need basic fitness.
Yeah, but this experience itself is very unique.
Completed our trek. It's 8 AM as of now, and the total distance was we went to the highest point of sunrise. The total distance was 10 kilometers, But if you go till the crater, then it is about 6 kilometers, 5 to 6 kilometers. So yes, it was a nice experience, very different experience. We have been to many
Indeed.
treks. Yes, we have been to many different treks, but this kind of a view was one of a kind.
Now we are out of money as of now.
Yeah.
Very sad. And
Here everyone is accepting cash.
yeah, so we will be having no local food here. There are many outlets outside just when you finish the trek.
So yes, time to say goodbye. See you all next time.